Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have the bulb, the app, and a stable too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Start immediately. First, power the bulb and add it in the manufacturer app using the device discovery flow, because pairing must complete before voice setup. Once the app confirms the bulb online, name it clearly. Use short, unique words for easier voice recognition. Make sure the bulb appears in your device list and is assigned to a room. This prevents conflicts when you link voice services next. Now link the bulb account to your voice assistant. Open the assistant app, enable the manufacturer skill or service, then sign in with the same account you used earlier. This authorizes control and exposes devices. Once linked, run device discovery so the assistant finds your named bulb. After discovery, assign it to a group or create a routine if you want scenes. You're doing this because grouping and clear names reduce misfires and let single commands control multiple lights reliably. Finish by testing specific commands. Turn on kitchen lamp, dim kitchen lamp to 50%, or set kitchen lamp to warm white. If the assistant doesn't respond, restart the bulb by power cycling it, reboot your router, then reauthorize the skill in the voice app. These steps clear auth or network glitches. Once fixed, consider enabling local voice control or short commands to reduce latency and dependency on cloud services. This also helps recover faster when internet access is lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.